not escaping this.
What? Does it still work?
It's a flip screen. It's a flip screen.
This does not work anymore.
Look at the screen.
Oh, it still comes on.
Oh, wait, no. Oh, what the? It's a flip screen. Well, look, the inside got like water in it.
How does it still work?
I don't know.
What is that? You get black mark?
Like water spots.
Black mark in our car?
See, you can go in there and swap parts out. Do anything. I don't know.
That's how you change the battery.
I know it kept cutting off and wouldn't charge.
Yeah,
All you gotta do is look at the fight cam. Another one trying to squeeze on out of here. Where you going?
Nah, that ain't happening.
Let's get the beat on. Yeah.
Get in there. We got a fight.
We got a fight going on here. There's a fight going on here.
Just look at the.
Yeah, you can just look at the fight cam. We got some kind of something in here.
What the fuck is that?
Yeah, that's right. We got
God damn, look at that.
we got experiments going on over there, and the bugs escape from time to time over there on that mountain,
That mountain.
the landfill over there.
That's a big ass bug, man. We're just flying there.
No, if he would have been gone by now. The bugs, they hit the ground over there. They did. We thought we were gonna get some action going on.
They tussled for a second.
Yeah, they
Damn,
did.
man.
A little tussle, but that was it.
Should make them fly, man. Scrap.
Nah, that other one's a biter.
He's escaping now,
Now
man.
with the
Look
wing.
at-
He's a biter.
Still trying to get out?
Oh,
Cage match. It's crazy.
what?
Crushing them.
Oh, yeah, look at that, man.
Fight?
Yeah, look at him, man.
Look at the fight cam, boy.
Oh, yeah.
Man, put this
there.
on YouTube.
Uh-oh. Oh, the button is lame. Got his foot on his wing.
Man, we got 3 minutes of video.
Damn.
Your phone don't tape that long?
Huh?
Your phone
It
doesn't?
tape it off.
You can give me a lot of hits. False advertising.
Lil Wayne versus somebody else. Guaranteed hits.
What's he doing there? Oh man, is he dying?
Keep a hand greaser.